Hello, fellow energy alchemist, mind, body, wisdom enthusiasts, and dowsing pals. It's time for us to uplift our energies and start fresh. So I'm going to go through my 5 fears that plague all of us, all of humanity. Let's get started. If you want, do whatever you want to do to clear your own modality is fine with me, whatever. Pick something you want to work on. I'm going to first clear fears of failure. I love Florence Scovel Shinn. It's like over 100 years ago. She was talking about energy alchemy and how to become wealthy in every part of your life. And she said that you can baptize all your failures as blessings and miracles, because actually they were likely put in your path by spirit or you, your higher self, in order to make some progress. It doesn't seem like it when you're going through it, right? It sucks. Oh, yes it does. But let us now baptize all of our past situations or people, places, things, everything that we felt were a failure. We're going to baptize them as miracles instead, as blessings. And we're going to walk down our path fearlessly, surrounded by all the beautiful light beings who adore us and who admire us for our courage and bravery to come to Earth and live here, because they know it ain't easy. And maybe somehow we thought it would be easier than it is. But when you don't have those emotions attached, it feels easier. You can take steps forward. That's been my experience and the experience of my clients all over the world. So we're just letting go of our belief that we failed in the past. That's what we are taught more than likely. Don't fail on this. Don't F this up. But sometimes you just can't help it, and we let it go. And especially let go any feelings you might believe you're a failure. You're not. You might be going through a tough time or you did in the past. It doesn't mean it's going to happen again. Your past does not equal your present or your future, so let it go. Woo! You can get angry about it. Start screaming. I'm so fed up with all this crap. I'm done with it. I'm letting it go. Just like that. Second fear we're going to release of my top 5 is fear of not being safe. No matter what happens, you are safe. You are beloved. It's all about how we look at things, right? This is sort of cool. A giant hawk just flew right over my window here. And that signifies change, right? Change and being able to soar like the hawks do. They take what they want, right? They just do their own thing. Everyone gets out of their way. I say let's release all blocks to being like a hawk. They're fearless. Do they ever feel unsafe? Maybe when humans come towards them, but pretty much nothing else. So let's soar like beautiful birds. Right now, this year, letting go of our fears that keep us grounded, stuck where we're at. That's what I meant by grounded. The third fear we're going to release is a fear that the bad times will never end. Everything ends, right? Including us, sadly, but it's true. By the way, I don't sure as heck don't want to live forever. I don't know who would. It's a little bit too crazy, too much, a whole lifetime, thousands of years, too much. So let go of our fears that the bad times are never going to end. Life is all about cycles, right? And we can't expect it to be a beautiful season of life all the time. But we can let go of our fears that are keeping us stuck in the past, stuck in fear, stuck in doubt, stuck in a mistrust of ourselves. Just let it go. Just because you suffered through some terrible times or situations, like all of us have, it doesn't mean it's going to keep happening, even though it sometimes feels that way. because you got these emotional triggers. Let it go. Fourth set of fears to release are fears of rejection or abandonment. We have all been rejected or abandoned since childhood, more than likely. The little kid we had the crush on hated us, threw mud at us or something. I don't know. We've been bullied. Sadly, loved ones have passed or moved far, far away. Let go of fear of being rejected or abandoned right now. There really isn't such a thing as rejection. I learned this long ago because that was my big thing, feeling rejected by men or jobs, employers who didn't hire me. If you think about it, when you go to the grocery store, say you're in the cookie aisle, you'll find me there, probably too often. But I don't reject all the other cookie brands and stuff. I make a choice of the ones that I want to invite and bring into my life and bring home. That's how it is. It's not rejecting, it's people choosing. They might not choose you. You might not have chose other people or employers. It's not about rejection and abandonment. It's about choice and what we need to do, and we don't always understand it, right? Letting go all fears now. The fifth fear, fear of the consequences of success. This particular fear sounds crazy, right? But I think all of us have gotten into a situation in our lives that we chose, and we were so happy and excited, whether it be a relationship or work, a business, I don't know, new home, new car. And then we realized not that long afterwards that, oh my gosh, this is not so good. There were consequences. And that can stop us from moving forward in our life because we're afraid that if we succeed, more consequences will come. Or if we succeed, more work will be heaped on us. Just let it go. It's just emotions, and emotions are energies, and they're also magnetic, and they pull in more of the same to us. So that's why I suggest you release them. You feel better. You live in bliss and light and love. And now I'm just going to spin in to the right. You don't have to change hands, by the way. I'm just getting a little fatigued in my muscles, you know. Let's spin in the most magnificent new life, new beginning. Whether you're watching this for the new year or not, a beautiful new cycle of life has come our way. And we've released all these old emotions, all these old weeds, choking our life's garden. And we're inviting in now complete and total love. Complete and total knowingness, enhancing our intuition, enhancing just seeing the humor in things, right? Being able to laugh at stupid stuff, crazy things that happen. Being able to laugh at people not being happy with you, maybe attacking you at work, on the job, in the family. Just laugh them away. They're just tortured souls, emotionally damaged. They need to bully other people. The heck with them. Remember, Lady Karma never forgets a name or an address. They'll get theirs. That helps me get through as well. And if you don't believe in karma, which I didn't either, until I started getting hit with some things, I'm like, oh my God, this reminds me when I did this. And I dowsed and found out, oh yes, that's exactly what it was for. Reminding you that that's not how you act. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this far. I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. If you would just leave a comment or a like and subscribe to my channel, I would be so grateful, so we can grow it so that people around the world, more and more people, can learn do-it-yourself healing, do-it-yourself bliss, and do-it-yourself creating the life you desire, your reality, right? We're all creating our own reality. If you do it intentionally, you're going to have a much better experience. Again, the voice of experience here. I've messed up so many times. Don't feel bad about that, okay? Just understand it's just part of the process. It happens to everyone. I love you. Peace out. Namaste. Happy new beginnings to you. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.